Hello everybody and welcome back to another Minecraft tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to build the water lava door version 2. Now the original of this was made around 7 months ago and the redstone for that was rather bulky, so now I've decided that it needed compacting down, which has been done, and it's also made this door activate a little bit quicker. Now if you haven't seen this before, the idea is our door is made out of water, and then when we walk over the pressure plates it's going to clear all of that so that we can walk through, and when we go over the pressure plates on the other side it's going to reset to its original state. Now where this has been compacted and updated, you can also now sprint through here without bumping into the pistons in the middle. Now the way that this works, when we walk over those pressure plates we're going to push these blocks here upwards so there's a flat surface to walk over. All of the pistons on either side will be activated so the water gets cleared, and then the dispensers at the top will retract the water. Then when we stand on the pressure plates again, the opposite thing happens. The blocks here at the bottom get pulled down so there's somewhere for the water to fall into. The pistons activate, the dispensers activate, and then the water falls down. So let's have a look at that in action. You can see it all gets cleared. Then the same thing happens again, the water falls down. Now this is the water lava door, so it also works with lava. So here it is with lava. Let's walk through. You can see it all gets cleared. The only disappointing thing with using lava is that it flows slower in the overworld, so you'll see it drop down like this, but it works just the same as with water. So before we start this tutorial, I'd like to say thank you to my buddy Ease. Both of us were working on compacting this door at the same time, and I decided that his was better in the end. Now this is my one over here. It is slightly bigger. It uses 6 sticky pistons and 4 redstone blocks, which makes it a little bit more expensive, but it does have one advantage. It is slightly faster to activate, so you can have the pressure plates a little bit closer, and you can also sprint through it when they're that close as well, which is pretty cool. But I decided in the end it would be best to go with Ease's. My one is quite noisy as well because you have lots of pistons activating at the same time. Now since I last spoke to Ease, I actually managed to compact his redstone a little bit more, so this one is very survival friendly, and I'll just walk you through how it works quickly. When you walk over the pressure plates you're going to activate the redstone, and so that's going to send a signal into this block which powers the piston below it, so then it divides the signal up round to this side and to that side over there, so then it goes through a repeater turning it into a 1-tick pulse. That then activates the pistons that push these blocks up so they act like a T flip-flop, and it also sends a signal out to the side here to activate the pistons and the dispensers, which is what this one on this side over here does. Now when you activate it from the other side there is a repeater here to transfer the signal through to that same piston that activates it from this side over here. So to build this door you're going to need to clear out some space in the ground like this right here. Now this door has been designed to be flush with the ground and also flush with a wall on either side. So if you have a look here, we've got some markings. This is where your path is going to go, and then these yellow lines represent where the wall will be. So all of this will get filled in at this height here, like that, and then you'll be able to have walls going across like this in front of the door. So the space that you need to build this in is 9 blocks deep, and it's 4 blocks wide. It goes down by 2 blocks. You'll also be removing some of the blocks down here to place a couple of pistons. And then in the middle, where it's 3 blocks wide, just dig back by 2 blocks on this side and 2 blocks on that side as well. Then to build this you're going to need these materials, either 2 buckets of lava or 2 buckets of water, 2 dispensers and 6 pistons. Then for building blocks you're going to need around 80 of them in total and 12 half slabs. Then you'll need 4 pressure plates, 27 redstone, 3 sticky pistons and 4 redstone repeaters. So the first thing we want to do is build the redstone that goes down in this area, and first of all we will remove these 5 blocks and place 3 sticky pistons facing upwards and then 2 half slabs. Then on top of those blocks we want to place full blocks and another one over here and in that corner right there, and then we're going to place down the redstone that goes underneath the blocks with the pressure plates, so that will be those 2 on this side. It leads round to here, we're going to put a repeater facing into that block, and then on the other side it's going to be those 2 there, and then we need to put down 3 pieces of redstone there. Then we're going to put another repeater here facing in that direction, 1 facing in that direction, and then 1 over here in this direction. Then last of all we need to place down some more redstone, so 3 pieces there, 4 pieces over here, another piece right there, and then we need to put down 2 half slabs, so 1 goes on this side in that position and the other one goes on this side right there. So the next step is to place a bunch of blocks and make all of this flush with the ground, so just fill in all of this like so. Now those two blocks at the back there, they need to have pressure plates on top of them to activate the redstone, and then bring all of this forward like so. Now these two blocks here need to have a gap so that those ones can be pushed up and down, and this block here is also going to be pushed up and down, so you need to leave that one free right there so you can have a little bit of a gap. Then fill it in coming all the way over to this side, put down two pressure plates over here as well, and then we need to put a half slab in that position, put a piece of redstone on top of that one, then do the same thing on the other side, so redstone there, and last of all a half slab right there. So to finish this door, we need to place down the pistons that go in the middle. There's going to be 3 of these facing into the center like so, and then on top of those you want to put a dispenser also facing into the center like that. And then when you're done, you need to place 4 half slabs behind these pistons, and then remove that one when you're done. Do the exact same thing on the other side, and then place redstone down on top of all of these, so 4 pieces of redstone on each side, and then we're going to build the frame around the door. So just place blocks alongside the pistons and the dispenser like so, and then this is going to be flush with the wall as well, so you can extend it over like that if you really need to, and that also hides the redstone as well. So then we build the same thing on the other side. Now the next thing that we want to do is stand on the pressure plates, so it's like this, and then we're going to fly up top, put our lava or water into those dispensers, and then come back down and test to make sure that it works. And there you go, see, it works just fine. And so that, my friends, is how you build the water lava door. Now there is a world download available in the description box if you need this world right here. And again, thank you to my buddy Ease for helping me with the compactness of this door. But that is it for this video, so as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will catch you next time.